Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another version of the very creepy looking rod. This time it's the police rod. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so here's my sketch for Rod right here in his police uniform. So to begin, we're going to draw in, let's draw in his nose first, and then we'll draw in the rest of the face. So it's just going to be kind of like an egg shape on his side. That's going to be in the nose, and then now we can draw in the eyeglasses. So I'm just going to come right up here. Just draw a line across, so that's going to be the top of the sunglasses. And then now from the corner, just curve down. All right, and then one line in the center right here. And let me shade this in real quick. And I'm just gonna draw in two lines like that. That's gonna be the highlight for the glasses. We'll give it some shine. Alright, so that's the eyeglasses, and then now let's come down and draw in the mouth, and then we'll fill in the face. So for the mouth, just right underneath the nose right here, it's got a really big smile. And now for the lower lip, we're going to come down. It's going to be pretty sharp. And since we're down here, let's just go ahead and finish up the tongue. So it's almost like a little M shape. Just make it a little bit sharper on the end right here. Add a little line. And let me shade this in as well real quick, since that's really easy to do with a Sharpie. Alright, so we'll fill in the cheeks later, we'll add in the details, but let's go ahead and finish up the shape of the face. So it's gonna be one big, kind of like a little almond shape on the bottom. So we just come out from the side here, we make two little points. So that's going to be the edge of the face, and just go all the way down. So just kind of follow that. Okay, so a big almond shape. And then for the cheeks right here, so this one's easy. Just go right on the corner here. And I'll just add two dots there. All right, so that's the bottom portion. Now let's go up and finish up the top. I'm gonna start on this side. I just go up just a little bit more. Now I'm gonna come back all the way to here. So just go up. And then now whatever space you have here, just add some of these little angles. It's kind of cracked up. All right, and let's see for the police hat right here. This one's easy. We'll just flare out and then just close it with an angle. And then for the cracks, a little V shape like this, and then just kind of zigzag, connect all the way down here. And then for these, I'm just gonna add just a few. Okay, so that's the creepy looking head, and now let's draw in the body. So for the body, we're gonna start out with the little bow tie right here first. So right in the center, I'm just gonna add a little curve. And then for the sides here, just flare out. And then just kind of add a little bit of a waviness to it. If you want more detail, we can add in a little bit of line there for the creases. Okay, so now that we have the bow tie, let's go ahead and come down to the body. So just right underneath the bow tie right here. Just come down and just go ahead and close this off first. So that's going to be the kind of like the belt section. Okay, and then from here, let's continue down, just one more section. Flare out, and then just close it off. All right, so let's go ahead and finish up the legs since we're just down here, because the leg is fairly simple. So right here, that's gonna be one. I'm gonna come down slightly on this side, and right here I'm just gonna add a little bit of a crease right there. And then I'm gonna close this off. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Just come down like this first, just stop. Continue on this side. Right here, just add a little crease. Okay, so we can kind of extend the lines a little bit too. Okay, and then now for the shoes, let's come down, and then this side is gonna go out. Just close it off. Okay, so very simple shapes. Come down, just go out, close it off. Okay, so now that we have the overall body right here, let's go ahead and draw the arms. I'm gonna draw this side first because this one's gonna be holding the baton. Okay, so the armpit's gonna be right around here. I come up here for the shoulders, come down. Okay, so just one little block. That's gonna be the elbow, and then for the lower arm, I'm just gonna bend it in slightly. Okay, and then now for the hand, it's one little hook for the thumb. Here's the inside of the palm, just one little line. And then right here, the back of the palm. And then for the fingers, just kind of give it a slight curve. And then for the other fingers, we can always just add one little bump there. Okay, so now let's draw on the other side. So this part's gonna be the same over here. Again, here's the armpit. Come down, so just one little bar. And for the lower arm, just kind of make it a little bit straighter. Close this off. And then now for the fist right here is holding the baton, so it's gonna be slightly different. Just come down here. That's gonna be the thumb. For the other fingers, just draw one little shape like this and close it off here. We can add in one little line to divide up the fingers. Okay, and then we can just kind of close this off. Just whatever space you have there, just close it off. Okay, so now we can draw the baton. So I'm gonna start right here. So let's just flare this out slightly. Just round it out. And then continue here. So this one's gonna be a lot skinnier. All right, so that's the overall shape, and now let's finish up with some details on the body. Just right here, right around the chest area. One line across, and this one's gonna go out because he's wearing some kind of vest. Here, on the corner, just go up. Right in the middle right here, I'm just gonna add in the police lettering, so it's gonna go in there. Let's finish up the little pouches on the bottom first. So on this side, it's one little pouch, and we can add in one little line there for the flap. And then on this side, pretty much the same, but we'll divide up this. Okay, and then for the police here, we just write in the police letter. So nothing special about this one. Basic lettering. And that is it for this police rod. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, and I will see you next time.